Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best golf tee bag is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any serious golfer looking to streamline their game and keep their tees readily accessible on the course. Imagine this, you're lining up a crucial shot, ready to unleash your best drive, only to find yourself fumbling through pockets or searching your golf bag for that elusive tee. This compact and convenient pouch aims to eliminate that frustration, ensuring you have your tees right where you need them, when you need them, allowing you to focus on your swing and not on misplaced equipment. Number 5. Titleist Professional Zippered Golf Pouch. Introducing the Titleist Professional Zippered Golf Pouch. Crafted from premium synthetic material, it offers durability and a sleek look. This pouch features a secure zippered closure, keeping your essentials safe. Inside, you'll find organized mesh and textile pockets for easy access. It's the perfect choice for customization or as a thoughtful gift for tournaments. Make your next event memorable with this versatile accessory. Designed for convenience, its compact size makes it easy to carry. The dimensions are 7 inches long, 9 inches wide, and 5 inches high. Experience the premium quality of synthetic material. This pouch is built to last and designed for the discerning golfer. What we like. This pouch is crafted from premium synthetic material, offering a sleek and durable feel. Its zippered closure ensures your items are secure, and it's perfect for adding a personal touch or for tournament gifts. If you're looking for a stylish and customizable option for your golf club or a special event, this is the one to consider. What people say. The bag is made of durable material and has a good capacity for tees and other small golf accessories. It's very convenient to attach to a golf bag or belt loop, making it easy to access during a round. The design is compact and lightweight, so it doesn't add unnecessary bulk. Number 4. Golf Tee Pouch. Introducing our professional golf tee pouch, crafted from durable 600D polyester. It's designed to keep your essentials organized and secure on the course. Featuring a convenient zippered closure, this pouch ensures everything stays put. The metal lobster claw clip offers a full 360-degree swivel, preventing tangles and easily attaching to your golf bag. Measuring 5.62 inches wide by 6.87 inches high, it's the ideal size for your golf balls, divot tools, and tees. Keep all your small golfing necessities in one accessible place. Beyond golf, this versatile bag is perfect for storing other small valuables during travel or any outdoor activity. Its robust construction ensures longevity. Available in a range of colors including black, navy, royal, hunter green, gray, and red, you can choose the one that best suits your style. What we like. Constructed with robust 600D polyester, this pouch is built to last. The 360-degree swivel clip prevents tangles and securely attaches to your bag. With several color options available, if you prioritize durability and a secure, tangle-free attachment for your tees and small valuables, this pouch is an excellent choice. What people say. The bag is made of durable material and has a good capacity for tees and other small golf accessories. It's very convenient to attach to a golf bag or belt loop, keeping your tees easily accessible during your round. The design is sleek and compact, not adding unnecessary bulk while still holding a decent amount of tees. Number 3. Orlimar Detachable Golf Accessory Pouch. Introducing the Orlimar Detachable Golf Accessory Pouch, designed for ultimate convenience on the course. Keep your essentials organized and within reach. It features 3 zippered pockets, perfect for securely storing your valuables like your phone, keys, and credit cards. Everything stays protected and in its place. This pouch easily clips onto your golf bag, providing extra storage without taking up valuable space. Access your items quickly and effortlessly. A visible mesh pocket allows for even quicker access to frequently used items. No more digging around for your tees or small accessories. From your cell phone and glasses to tees and more, it securely holds everything you need. Enjoy your game with peace of mind. The zippered closures ensure that all your belongings are kept safely inside. You can focus on your swing, knowing your essentials are secure. What we like. Featuring a smart design with 3 zippered pockets and a visible mesh pocket, this pouch offers excellent organization for your valuables. It easily clips to your golf bag for convenient access. If you need to keep multiple items like your phone, keys, and tees neatly separated and readily accessible, this accessory pouch is ideal for you. What people say. This golf tee bag pouch is a convenient way to store and organize your golf tees. The compact design makes it easy to carry in your golf bag or pocket. It securely holds a good number of tees, preventing them from getting lost. Number 2. PUMA Valuables Pouch. Introducing the PUMA Valuables Pouch, a stylish and functional accessory designed for your essentials. It's crafted from 100% polyester with a unique camo graphic print. Featuring a top cinch closure, it ensures your belongings are kept secure and easily accessible. The main compartment offers ample space for your valuables. Inside, you'll find a soft fleece lining that protects your items from scratches and damage. This thoughtful detail adds an extra layer of care. Weighing just 0.08 pounds, this pouch is incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for everyday use or travel without adding unnecessary bulk. The eye-catching camo graphic print adds a touch of modern style to this practical accessory. It's a statement piece that's also highly functional. Whether you're heading to the gym or running errands, it's the ideal companion to keep your valuables safe and organized. Get yours today. What we like. This pouch stands out with its stylish camo graphic print and a soft, fleece-lined interior to protect your belongings. The top cinch closure provides quick and easy access to your items. If you appreciate a blend of fashion and function, and want a lightweight pouch with a unique look for your essentials, this is a great pick. What people say. The bag is made of durable material and has a good capacity for tees and other small golf accessories. It's very convenient to attach to a golf bag or belt loop, keeping your tees easily accessible during your round. The design is compact and lightweight, so it doesn't add unnecessary bulk. Number 1. Callaway Heritage Golf Accessories Kit. Introducing the Callaway Heritage Golf Accessories Kit. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for a great day on the course. Keep your valuables safe and sound with the durable canvas pouch. It features an internal zippered pocket to secure smaller items, giving you peace of mind. Maintain optimal spin control with the premium club brush. Its classic design, durable nylon bristles, and vintage wooden handle provide effective groove cleaning. Add a touch of vintage style to your game with 2 high-quality metal stamped ball markers. They are designed to fit comfortably in your pocket. Achieve consistent tee height and optimal launch with the included bag of 20 hardwood tees. These 2-3-4 foot tees are perfect for your driver. This gift set is the ultimate present for any avid golfer. It bundles all the essential accessories they'll need on the course. What we like. This is more than just a pouch, it's a complete golf accessory kit. The valuables pouch is made from durable canvas with an internal zippered pocket for security. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that includes a premium club brush, tees, and ball markers, this comprehensive set makes for a fantastic gift or a great way to equip yourself. What people say. This golf tee bag pouch is a great accessory for any golfer. It's made of durable material and can hold a good amount of tees. The design is compact and easy to attach to your golf bag or belt loop, making it convenient to access your tees during a round. The magnetic closure on this pouch is a nice touch. It keeps the tees securely inside, and it's easy to open and close with one hand. The pouch also has a small pocket for holding a divot tool or ball marker, which is a handy feature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.